Hello everyone, Dr.berkkkaratas. We're going to talk about erectile dysfunction and exercise. So how much exercise should we do daily or weekly to avoid erectile dysfunction? In this regard, Kratizik and colleagues conducted a great study in 2009. According to this study, it was determined on a weekly basis you need to burn at least 1,000 calories a week. The ideal is 3,000 calories, but the best is 4,000 calories. It needs to be more than 4,000 calories. And of course, another aspect they looked at, they said that people who exercise have better erection quality because their testosterone hormones are higher. We already know this. When we don't exercise or engage in sports, our testosterone levels drop. Here are the graphs related to this. For example, in people who consume, say, 500 calories a week, do sports or exercise, the degree of erection and the amount of erection are less. As you can see here, the best is 4,000 and more per week in individuals who burn calories. Now you might ask, what is ideal, 4,000 calories a week or 3,000 calories? How should we do it? I briefly calculated this for you on the side. Now we need to take about 10,000 steps to burn 500 calories, but here everyone has step counters on their phones now. They say, I took 10,000 steps a day, I took 15,000 steps a day. But here, the issue of active steps is important. So what does this mean? When you start in one go, you need to take 10,000 steps until you finish. This is what we're talking about. So during the day, it's not about 1,000 steps in the morning, of course 1,000 at noon, and 2,000 to 3,000 in the evening, but rather the active step count, meaning exercise. Time is very important because you need to take these 10,000 steps within a certain distance and at a specific time. For example, if one step is considered to be 50 centimeters, approximately 10,000 steps equal 5,000 kilometers. That means 5 kilometers. So by walking quickly at an average pace of 10,000 steps over 5 kilometers, which is just before a slow running pace, we can complete this 5 kilometers in 60 to 80 minutes. We can complete it in minutes. So you left your house, walked for 60 to 70 minutes, and you see, oh, it's 10,200, for example. Yes, that's counted. This is considered to be about 500 calories. If you do this every day for 6 days and take a rest day, it would burn about 3,000 calories. So you might have achieved the ideal exercise. Of course, it can be done more if desired, but these are the recommended minimum values. Because the average, well, 3,000 calories. We know that in people who exercise weekly, erectile dysfunction appears 82% less. This is also a very effective factor. Thank you.